Thank you, Lord Mayor, for meeting us. Is it okay if we ask you a few questions?
Absolutely, yeah, be delighted.
What do you think of the food cloud idea?
I think it's a brilliant idea. Yeah, so I remember talking to Isolt about it when I met her at the One Young World Summit in Johannesburg in September last year, and she was explaining the idea, and I just thought it was excellent, and it's great to hear that it is a success, that they're getting big companies like Tesco to sign up to it, and that some of the charities then are signing up to it. And it's a great way then for people to volunteer as well, because if you want to help out, this is a good practical thing you can do. You can call around to one of the shops, collect the food that's there to be collected because it can't be sold, and then bring it to one of the charities. So
What recycling do you and food waste do you have here in the Mansion House?
now, I asked about that when I heard you guys were coming in, and we do a certain amount of recycling. So we recycle all of our paper, because there's a lot of paper because there's an office here. So we've got a very strict system for recycling paper to make sure paper doesn't get mixed in with general waste. But we don't have a brown bin, would you believe? So we don't have a special bin for food waste, and we don't have a...
Do you think there should be more grain recycling bins in the flat complexes in the city?
Okay, well, I'm not sure how many recycling facilities we have in the flats, but sounds like from your question maybe we don't have enough. Certainly the green recycling bin now, which takes kind of paper and plastic and things like that, all that stuff can be recycled pretty easily now because the city has a separate recycling facility for the type of waste that goes into the green bin. They can separate it out. They can separate the paper from the plastic and the Tetra packing and stuff like that. So, yeah, there's no reason why people shouldn't be given the facility just to make sure they separate that waste.
Do you think there should be a glass bank in the city centre?
Yeah, there definitely should be. Yeah, I mean, we have quite a few around the city, but now that you've mentioned it, I hadn't really realised there wasn't one in the city centre. I know there's quite a lot in various kind of car parks as you go a little bit further out. And yeah, and glass is something that's very easy to recycle. Yeah, so we should definitely have one in the city centre. And it's probably worth trying to think where we could put it. We should have more than one, actually. We should probably have a few. Yeah, so because it's a pity to have to dump glass into the normal waste. Yeah, okay, good question.
Okay, thank you.